Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting English learning video. Today, we are going to explore a very detailed picture that tells a brave and emotional story about firefighters. Through this video, you will learn new words, sentences, and important details about how firefighters work to save lives. But before we begin, let's talk about a real situation happening right now in Los Angeles. This will help you connect with the picture and understand it better. So, let's dive into the story. Right now, Los Angeles is facing a very dangerous problem. A wildfire has started in the dry forests near the city, and it is spreading very quickly. Wildfires happen when dry trees, grass, or bushes catch fire. The strong winds in Los Angeles are making the fire grow bigger and move faster. The fire has already destroyed many homes. Some people have lost everything, their houses, cars, and belongings. Sadly, some families have even lost loved ones. The air is full of thick black smoke, which makes it very hard to breathe. Many people have had to leave their homes and move to safer places. These are called evacuation centers, where people can stay until the fire is under control. Firefighters are working day and night. They are risking their lives to save others. They use big fire trucks, water hoses, and even helicopters to fight the fire. They are real-life heroes. Now, let's look at a picture that shows how these brave firefighters work during an emergency. Picture description. This is a very busy and detailed picture. It shows a burning house and firefighters working hard to stop the fire. There are so many things happening in this picture. I will describe each part of the picture in detail so you can understand everything. While I describe, listen carefully to learn new words and sentences. Let's start with the most important part, the firefighters. First, let's meet the firefighters in this picture. There are 4 firefighters, and they are all wearing red uniforms. Their uniforms are very special because they protect them from the heat and flames. They also wear yellow helmets to keep their heads safe. The first firefighter is near the fire truck. He is holding a long water hose. The hose is very thick, and it sprays water with great force. He is aiming the water directly at the flames to stop the fire from spreading. Look at his face, he looks very focused and serious. He knows this is a dangerous job, but he is ready to help. The second firefighter is near the burning house. He is holding an axe to break the window. He is doing this to help people inside the house and get them out safely. Breaking the window also helps let the smoke go outside. This firefighter is very brave because he is close to the fire and working hard to save people. The third firefighter is standing on the sidewalk near a red fire hydrant. Do you know what a fire hydrant is? It is a pipe on the street that gives water to firefighters. He is using hydrants so they can get more water. Without water, they cannot stop the fire. This is a very important job. The fourth firefighter is standing in the middle of the road. He is holding a small red fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is a tool that sprays foam or chemicals to stop small fires. He is smiling and waving his hand. Maybe he is signaling to his team or encouraging others. His smile shows confidence, which is very important in such a dangerous situation. Now, let's talk about the fire truck. This fire truck is big and red. It is parked on the road next to the burning house. Fire trucks are like mobile fire stations. They carry everything firefighters need, such as hoses, ladders, tools, and even first aid kits. On top of the fire truck, there is a long silver ladder. This ladder can extend to reach high places, like the roof of a house or a tall tree. The fire truck also has big wheels so it can drive on any type of road, even during emergencies. Look closely, and you will see flashing lights on the truck. These lights are very bright to warn other cars on the road to move out of the way. Above the burning house, there is a red helicopter flying in the sky. This helicopter is very special because it can carry water to fight fires. Look at the water coming down from the helicopter. It is dropping the water directly on the flames to help put out the fire. Helicopters are very useful in wildfires because they can go to places that fire trucks cannot reach. For example, if a fire is on a mountain or in a forest, a helicopter can fly there and drop water from the sky. The house in the picture is small but beautiful. It has white walls and a red roof. However, the roof is burning and big flames are coming out. The fire is very strong, and black smoke is rising into the sky. In the background, you can see green trees and a tall building with a clock tower. The trees are very close to the fire, so they are in danger of catching fire too. This shows how fast and dangerous wildfires can be. The road in front of the house is empty. People have probably left the area to stay safe. Safety is always the most important thing during a fire. This picture shows both danger and hope. The burning house and the black smoke show how serious and scary fires can be. But the brave firefighters bring hope. They remind us that even in dangerous situations, there are people who work hard to save lives and protect others. This picture teaches us to appreciate the hard work of firefighters and to always be careful with fire. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this detailed picture description. Remember, learning English is fun when we connect it with real-life situations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.